Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam appointed Busayza, a spy, to bring information about Abu Sufyan. When he came back, there was none save me and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam at home. The reporter says that he does not remember whether Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu exempted any of the Prophet's wives. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says that spy came and submitted his report. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then came out and said, "We need a thing, so whoever has got a mount should ride along with us." Some people sought his permission to fetch the mounts from Medina Munawwara heights. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "Only those people should accompany us whose mounts are present here." Then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions radiyallahu anhum set forth until they reached Badr before the polytheists. The polytheists also arrived there. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "None of you must take any initiative in doing something unless I ask for it." When the polytheists drew nearer, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "March towards paradise, whose width is equal to the heaven and earth." Hazrat Umair bin Hammam Ansari radiyallahu anhu submitted, "The breadth of paradise is equal to heaven and the earth?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Yes." He whereupon said, "Bravo, bravo." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "What prompted you to say bravo, bravo?" He submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, nothing but the hope of being one of the inhabitants of paradise." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Undoubtedly, you are one of the inhabitants of paradise." Hazrat Awais radiyallahu anhu then took some dates out of his quiver and started eating them. He then said, "If I remain alive until I finish my dates, the life will get prolonged. I will get paradise late." He then threw the dates he had and then started fighting with the enemy until he was martyred. Note: this hadith shows that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam knows who is a paradise dweller and who is not. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4892.